Yum. Oh, it's so good. Neat. Say yum, so yummy.
Declan is not the cleanest eater in the world.
That was a good one.
Some would say his mother is neither, so...
Shut up. That was mean, Daddy.
No, I'm not saying it's this bad, but, there's a reason Brooks the dog usually posted up underneath you during dinner time.
There you go.
You gotta keep the hands down, bro. Yeah.
There you go. Say, so good, Mama. So good. Yeah, he just like gnawing on the spoon.
Yeah, he likes gnawing on the spoon.
Yummy.
Declan's first time eating out of a spoon. Eating some somewhat solid food. Wouldn't really, because they're too solid. Some might call paste.
It's like glue. It's not glue, though. You're doing good now, Bobby. You're doing good now. Oh,
oh
no.
boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Oh, man.